Welcome to Learn Playwright in 30 days. Today we'll learn Playwright Parallel Execution. In real QA projects, testers' weight can grow from 10 tests to hundreds or thousands of tests. If we run them one by one, execution becomes slow. Parallel execution helps us run multiple tests at the same time. Use parallel works. Parallel execution content introduction step. Parallel execution run tests faster. Use multiple works. Works separate test processes. Configure works in config file. Fully parallel model. Run all the tests in parallel. Set for parallel equal true. Test isolation. Avoid shared state defects. Use independent test data. CI execution. Optimize pipeline speed. Use control worker count. Best practice area, best practice test design. Each test should be independent. Test data. Avoid use same user order payment data across parallel tests. Hooks. Be careful with before all and shared state. Database. Use unique data per work. Reporting. Use HTML report, trace, screenshot, and video for defect investigation. CI/CD. Use few works if the pipeline machine has limited CPU memory. Common problem, cause, fix, rhythm failing, shared test data, create unique data per test, test pass locally but fail in a CI, too many works, set work, use this command. Login conflict. Same account used by many tests. Use multiple test users. Order dependency. One test depends on another. Make tests independent. Slow execution. Works too slow. Increase work count carefully. Okay, let's look at the project. In the project, we have playwright.config file. So open this file, you will find first I set the fully parallel false. So that means it's false, not a run. But other thing like the for the playwright have the parallel execution. So I have many of the tests here. So if I type command can run the test. So generally you see here is I finish, but I can type again. You see this one I want to run the playwright test. Use the full works equal 4. So I enter this one and it will take a run. You can see here total 62 tests have passed 18, 19, 20. Yeah, that is for this one. Take a little time. Okay, almost finished. After finish run, we get this test results. So you see here is a total test 62 and pass 49 and 13 fail. And this is the total time run. So I change this one is true. This time I will run the test again. You see have the 6 work together run the test. (27, 28 finish. 31. (50, 51). You see here is a finish, okay. Yeah, you see just a half the time to finish it. For the field, like the field test, maybe share the data or something. Yeah, but I not check for that one. I just run totally the test. Parallel execution is very useful in modern test automation, but faster execution is not enough. We must also design reliable and isolated tests. In QA, a good automation suite should be reliable, maintainable, repeatable, and fast. That is why Playwright Parallel Execution is an important skill for test automation engineer. Thank you for watching. See you next time.